Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Haze. I'm an artisan speed painter from Malaysia, and today I have an extremely kawaii and cute review of the Artist 12 Pro from XP Pen, because this version is the Line Friends version and it's so cute too. So now let's rewind back to how I unboxed this product. Video approved. I really like the packaging. It's so cute. The best part about this product is definitely the accessories. Put back. Oh, it's a lot bigger than I thought. It's actually this big. This was what I was waiting for. I was anticipating like this holder. Ah, so cute. Did I just break it? So the box comes with like a few plugs, and then this is like the main plug, but instead of like flipping down, so you need to convert it and you just slot in plug head without flipping it down. And as usual, you have the pen with all the nibs again, just like all the other versions of XP Pen. And then you have this box. Oh, so we have a pencil box. This is the glove with stickers, and then ruler, another ruler, and some documents with a quick guide. To the cat. And the last accessory is a sticky notepad. You want this also? No, give you. And then of course we have the cables. Stop shaking. So this is actually the same as their default Artist 12 Pro tablet, but it's just like a cosmetic change. So you see you have like the line bear at the zoom dial, and also some stickers at the top here, which I don't think can be removed. They are water decal. And then you also get like a super cute stand for your tablet. So the tablet has the screen, and this screen is 1080 HD, and also you can see it from like every angle, so it's really good. It looks almost like paper. It has this screen protector here that is quite matte, that is supposed to simulate paper-like texture for you when you're using the tablet. So you can see here I have my iPad in the background. You can see this is actually bigger than the iPad. Let me show you. See, it's slightly longer. So this is like a perfect alternative to consider if you want to have something that is more affordable. So this product is only $299 US. It's really affordable, and it's so damn cute. So I really like it, and I'm gonna keep this one for myself. And then you also get like the 8 shortcut keys that you can program whatever shortcuts that you want for the application that you're using. I want to talk about the connectivity. So you see this is the USB-C cable that's connected to the tablet. So it actually goes out to this HDMI, and this HDMI splits into 2 USBs, and one USB goes to the power adapter and the other one goes to the laptop as well. So you see both the USB and HDMI has to be connected to the laptop in order for it to work. So my laptop is running fully on USB-C plugs only, thanks to Apple and their decisions. So I have to have like a converter here, which I'm so lucky because I managed to convert like both the HDMI and the USB. And also I have another USB slot for like my mic here that I'm using right now. So if you are using a Mac, don't worry, because you can just use a converter to use this tablet. And there's also like 2 buttons here at the side where you can adjust like the brightness, only the brightness I think, and also the power button. There's nothing else on the side except for here. This is actually the same as their other tablets. It does not have touchscreen capability, so it does not work with your finger. It only works with their stylus. And also do remember that the stylus comes in a case like this, and this is actually heavy enough for you to use as a stand like this. So it's actually quite weighted. So to get the tablet to work, you need to install the pen tablet setting, and to do that you need to uninstall all previous versions first, and then also enable the settings and preferences for the accessibility in the privacy tab, if I'm not mistaken. And then once you do that, you will be able to connect to the pen tablet driver. So when you launch your pen tablet setting, you can see here the monitor mapping is to your color LCD at first, which is your laptop. So if you are mapped to your color LCD, it means that when you're using your stylus on the tablet, you're actually controlling the cursor on the laptop instead. So to actually draw on this screen itself, you need to change the monitor mapping to Artist 12 Pro. So once you do that, when you place your stylus down, you actually be able to use the tablet as is on this screen itself. And then this driver also have a lot of other settings where you can set the buttons itself, like pen and eraser, right click, left click, that kind of thing. And also you can also get to set all the express keys. So just make sure that you check out the pen tablet settings before you start using it, because if you just install the pen tablet setting, it is not set to automatically work from the get-go. You need to still fiddle with it a bit. And if you have any problems with this driver, you can always just uninstall and download a fresh one and install it again. That usually solves most of the problems that I have so far. So I've done this artwork in this tablet, and I'm just going to show you some of the process and the workflow of how I made this work. For the illustration, I decided to use the Coral Painter software because I grew up with this software and actually not Photoshop. So today I'll be doing an Art Nouveau style illustration. While using the stylus, I realized that the cursor is not directly below the stylus tip, and this can be annoying at times. Another thing I don't appreciate are the cables, which is really a huge mess. Also, you might want to calibrate the color on both monitors when you're using it.
Take me.
Something fell again! Three fell! So what I really like about this tablet is that it's small enough, so it's portable. It's actually pretty light, lighter than the iPad, I think. Yep, it's definitely lighter than the iPad. But you do not get like the Retina display in here because this is just 1080p. But it's fine because I think it's still big enough to do what you want it to do, right? Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video and seeing the demonstration on how I use the tablet to create this artwork. You should definitely check out this tablet even if you do not want the Line Friends edition. The default edition is the exact same specifications. But this is actually a really good tablet at a to steal for and to die for price, to be honest. And I just really love the accessories, especially the line thing. So I hope you guys like this as much as I do and find this as cute as much as I do. So I think I'll see you next time with more tutorials and reviews, and subscribe to my channel and leave a comment and like the video. Ask me any questions you have about the product. I may not know everything about the product. I'm not the ambassador, but I can try and answer as many questions as I can. So I'll see you next time. Bye!